On this week's episode, quick and easy, flourless prime pancakes. You'll need 40 grams of oats, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon casein, a pinch of salt, 1.5 tablespoon oil, 1 egg, 45 milliliters of prime, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Blend until smooth. Pour some of the mixture onto an oiled hot griddle or pan and cook on each side for 1 to 2 minutes or until golden brown. And that's it. Enjoy them as they are, or with a topping of your choice. I love yogurt and jam on my pancakes. These pancakes are really good. I highly recommend this recipe. Thank you for watching. Love you all, and God bless.